Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is your English literature class. English literature. Take out your English literature book. English literature book. Take out your English literature book. Chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6. Yes, Farhan.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday I was absent. Can you tell what you done yesterday?
Yesterday I was also absent, Farhan.
Oh. Okay, ma'am.
Acha, Irfan.
Yes, ma'am. I want to show you something.
Yes, after the class, Irfan. Acha, Oishi. Yes, very good. Irfan, খুব সুন্দর. Very good.
Ma'am, I made this only with color.
Okay, okay, very good. Very good. Yes, Oishi.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, not. Ma'am, you were absent yesterday.
Yes.
Ma'am, and what you do now? I joined.
English literature. English literature, chapter 6. Okay. Afrina Khatun.
Ma'am, can you, I have need to.
No. Afrina Khatun, tell me.
Ma'am, yesterday, ma'am, do English grammar adjective.
Okay. I know that. Acha, Oishani Obipsha.
Ma'am, which chapter we will do?
Yes, chapter number 6. Okay.
Ma'am, we draw this. Ma'am, Omipsha draw this.
Okay. Show me. Wow, very good, very nice. Crow. This is a crow.
No, ma'am.
Penguin. Yes, penguin. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so let's start. Robin Hood tricks the sheriff. Robin Hood tricks the sheriff. Okay, this is the chapter. Robin Hood tricks the sheriff. This is a folk tale. Okay, Robin Hood. Most of the students just read the story of Robin Hood. Most of the students know that. Read the Robin Hood. Robin Hood, the person who is helping the man. Okay, Robin Hood হচ্ছে সবাইকে help করতো. Robin Hood, the person who is helping the man, and tricks the sheriff. Sheriff means a law officer in Nottingham. Okay, a law officer. Sheriff means a law officer. Everyone write the meaning of the sheriff. Everyone write the meaning of the sheriff. A law officer. Okay, a law officer. Okay, so Robin Hood was a folk hero who lived in Sherwood Forest in England with his band of merry men. Band of merry men, Robin's biggest enemy was the dishonest and cruel sheriff of Nottingham. His band of merry men. Merry men means Robin Hoods have some people that is called bands of merry men. That is called band of merry men. The merry men doing the job of Robin Hood. Robin Hood এর কাছে ওরা কি করতো, কাজ করতো। অনেক অনেক মানে রবিন হুডের যে দলটা ছিল, যে দল ছিল তার নাম কি ছিল? দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড দ্য মেরি মেন। দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড মেরি মেন। Robin's biggest enemy was the dishonest and cruel. Dishonest. Sheriff was dishonest and also cruel. Okay. Sheriff was dishonest and also cruel. Sheriff, the cruel sheriff of Nottingham. This is he is the enemy. They are the enemy of Robin Hood. They are the enemy of Robin Hood. Read the story to know what happened when Robin Hood met the sheriff. তাহলে স্টোরি থেকে আমরা কি জানতে পারবো? We all get to know that what happened when Robin Hood met the sheriff. When Robin Hood met the sheriff. So let's start the story. The sheriff of Nottingham was a very cruel man. The sheriff of Nottingham was a very cruel man. He treated people badly. He took away their money and left them to starve. Took away their money and left them to starve. Starve means cause someone to become weak or die by not giving them enough food. ঠিক আছে, তারা খেতে পেত না, enough food. তারা they were starving. They were starving. He treated people badly. He took away their money and left them to starve. Sometimes, for a very small mistake, he would punish them badly. Sometimes, for a very small mistake, they had a very small mistake and they will punished by the sheriff. By the sheriff. Okay. So he took away their money and left them to starve. And sometimes, for a very small mistake, he would punish them badly. So the poor men went to Robin Hood, who lived in Sherwood Forest. So the poor men went to Robin Hood. Poor men went to Robin Hood. Poor men went to Robin Hood, who lived in Sherwood Forest. The poor men went to Robin Hood, who lived in Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest কে থাকতো? So the poor men went to Robin Hood. Robin Hood lived in Sherwood Forest. Where Robin Hood lived? Robin Hood lived in Sherwood Forest. Okay, where Robin Hood lived? Robin Hood lived in Sherwood Forest. Robin gave them food and money. Some stayed with him and worked for him. Robin কি করতো? Robin gave them food and money. Some stayed with him and worked for him. The sheriff hated Robin for helping people. Sheriff তাকে কি করতো? ঘৃণা করতো। কেন? সে কি করতো? পিপলদের হেল্প করতো বলে শেরিফ তাকে ঘৃণা করতো। The sheriff hated Robin for helping people. Robin often visited Nottingham, but he was always so cleverly disguised that the sheriff could never catch him. Disguised means looked different to avoid recognition. ছদ্মবেশ. Looked different to avoid recognition. So he was always so cleverly disguised that the sheriff could never catch him. One day Robin was walking through the forest. One day Robin was walking through the forest when he met a butcher riding to the market. On either side of his grey pony hung a basket full of meat. One day Robin was walking through the forest. Robin কি করছিল? ফরেস্টের মধ্যে দিয়ে হেঁটে যাচ্ছিল। হেঁটে যেতে গিয়ে কি দেখলো? He met a butcher riding to the market. মার্কেটের দিকে যাচ্ছে। On either side of his grey pony hung a basket full of meat. Basket full of meat. What do you have there, my man? Robin asked. What do you have there, my man? Robin asked. Fine mutton for the Nottingham market. Do you want to buy some? The butcher asked. To Robin. Yes, I will buy it all and your pony too. I will buy it all and your pony too. I want to go to the market and see what kind of butcher I will make, said Robin. বলছে আমি মার্কেটে যাব, আমি দেখবো গিয়ে, ঠিক আছে? What kind of butcher I will make? What kind of butcher I will make? Said Robin. Then next page চলে এসো। The man agreed. Robin put on the butcher's blue coat and leather belt, mounted his pony and left. The man agreed. Robin put on the butcher's blue coat. Robin কি করলো? ওই বুচারের যে ব্লু কোটটা ছিল ওটা পরে ফেললো, and leather বেল্টটা পরে নিল, mounted his pony, পনির ওপর চেপে and left, চলে গেল। In Nottingham, the town was very crowded. Robin goes to the Nottingham market. Okay, the town was very crowded. Many people had come to the market. Robin rode his pony to the corner where the butchers had their stalls. He laid out his meat and began to cry out. But best meat, everyone, come and buy. Cheapest in all the market, 2 pence a pound. Robin shouted in the market, okay, best meat, everyone, come and buy. They sell meat. Robin is selling the meat. Best meat, everyone, come and buy. Cheapest in all the market, 2 pence a pound. Everyone rushed to Robin's stall, eager to buy. The other butcher stood idle. Idle means without anything to do, কিছু করার খুঁজে পাচ্ছে না, কি করবে বুঝতে পারছে না। Other butcherরা, the other butcher stood idle. They wondered who the man was. They worried, and Robin was running their trade. We must find out who is, said the chief butcher. মানে বুচারের মধ্যে যে মেন ছিল সে বলছে যে আমাদের খুঁজে বার করতে, ওটা কে ওটা খুঁজে বার করতে হবে। Let us invite him for dinner with us and the sheriff today at the town hall. So sheriff invited Robin to dinner at the town hall. Thank you, said Robin. When they asked him, I have had a busy morning, I'm very hungry. At the sheriff's house, his wife welcomed them kindly. I hope to see you at the market again, kind sir. She said, come and see me next time you have meat to sell. Thank you, lady. I will not forget your kindness, replied Robin with a bow. Bowin হচ্ছে bow মানে হচ্ছে ঝুঁকে পড়ে কাউকে অভিবাদন জানালে আমরা কি বলি? যেমন বলি আমরা নমস্কার, থ্যাংক ইউ, এরকম বলি যখন কি করি আমরা ঝুঁকে পড়ে বলি, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে থ্যাংক ইউ লেডি, আই উইল নট ফরগেট ইউর কাইন্ডনেস, রিপ্লাইড রবিন উইথ এ bow. At dinner, he sat in the place of honor on the sheriff's right, So Robin is invited in the sheriff's house in dinner. Okay, he chuckled to himself, thinking that he was dining with his great enemy. Chuckle means হচ্ছে laughed quietly, মানে মুচকে মুচকে হাসছে, এসে ভাবছে এই রে তোমরা কাকে ডিনারে এনেছো, তুমি তো আমাদের সব থেকে শত্রুকে তুমি ডিনারে ডেকেছো। ভাবছে, হাসছে আর ভাবছে। সত্যি রবিন is the enemy of sheriff, thinking that he was dining with his great enemy, the sheriff of Nottingham. It is the sheriff knew who he was, he would have put him in prison. Meanwhile, the sheriff was thinking hard. The greedy man said to himself, "This silly fellow doesn't know the value of things. If he has any sheep and goats, I will buy them from him for a small sum and sell them again to the butchers for a high price and make a lot of money." বলছে আমি, ও জানে না যে আমি কে, আমি কি করব, আমি ওর কাছে যা শিপ গোট যা কিছু আছে সব কিনে নেবো, কিনে নিয়ে বুচারকে খুব স্মল প্রাইসে বিক্রি করব, বিক্রি করে প্রচুর কি করব, গেন করব, লাভ করব, earn lot of money, earn lot of money. Okay, so after dinner he took Robin aside. He said, "You seem new to this business. The butchers are all waiting to cheat you. If you have any animals to sell, come to me. I will give you a good price." বলছে ও তো রবিন হুড তো জানে যে ও কি করবে। হ্যাঁ, হি মেক্স আ প্ল্যান যে what to do with the sheriff. Okay, what to do with the sheriff, Robin makes a plan. কিন্তু শেরিফ তো জানে না যে রবিন বা ও আমার সাথে কি করবে, এটা শেরিফ জানে, কিন্তু রবিন কিন্তু প্ল্যানটা করে ফেলেছে, করে ফেলে ও শেরিফের ওখানেই গেছে। শেরিফ ভাবছে যে ও খুব চালাক, he is very much clever. Sheriff thought that he is very much clever, and he thought that he went to the Robin Hood's place and buy all the sheep and goat and selling them to at a small money in butchers and gained a lump sum amount. Okay, so everyone read these 2 pages. Next day, that is tomorrow, I will start from the page number 55 and 56. Okay, so everyone read. For 5 minutes, I will give 5 minutes to read. I have already given the study material of chapter 5. Okay, the study material portion I have already given. Okay, I will just give your attendance. Just kindly everyone drop your hands. Please, everyone drop your hands. I will give you the attendance. Everyone read that portion. Just 2 pages. Read that portion, 2 pages. I will clear all your doubts. Just read thoroughly at your home. Okay, read thoroughly today. Everyone read the text thoroughly today. Then you have any problem, I will clear all your doubts tomorrow. First read it at your home. First read, and then just drop your hands. Everyone drop your hands, please. I will give your attendance. Everyone drop your hands first so that I will give your attendance. যদি হ্যান্ডটা ডাউন করো তাহলে আমি একটু অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা দিতে পারি, হ্যান্ড ডাউন করলে। Read the chapter carefully. Read these 2 pages carefully at your home. Okay. With the meaning. With meaning. With meaning. আফরিনা, ঐশানী, অভিপ্সা, ঐশী, অনন্যা, অঙ্কিতা সাউ, অনুভব খাড়া, অনুষ্কা মন্ডল, আশিয়া ফারহিন, অস্মিত বোস, বাহিয়া মন্ডল, বনশ্রী জানা, দীপ্তাশী, এনাক্ষী সামন্ত, ফারহান মল্লিক, ইশিকা পাল, মহসিন সুলতানা, মুসাইবা পারভিন, পারিজাত মন্ডল, কৌশালী দে, রাইসা জাহিন, সৈকত বেরা, সম্প্রীতি খাড়া, সৌয়দ লস্কর, আয়ন শাসমল, সিরিন আলম, শিফাত হক, শেখ আরহান, শেখ সাহিম, আজাদুর অ্যাবসেন্ট। ওকে, আরহান, এমডি সাহিম, শেখ ইরফান, শেখ ইন্তেখাব, এমডি নাহিদ, শেখ নওরোজ আলী, yes, okay, সোমদত্তা পাল, yes, okay, no need to raise your hand, you just check your attendance. সোমদত্তা, সৌমক সিংহ, no, সৌমক সিংহ, সৌমদীপ, শক্তিক, স্পন্দন, শুভাঙ্গী, সুলগ্না, সুস্নাতা, স্বর্ণাক্ষী, তৃষা, এমডি সাহিম, ওয়াজিদ, and then মৌসা কোলে। Okay. Azadur, what is this? Elon, Azadur, what is this? Okay, I will give you attendance, Azadur. Okay, first read the chapter at your home. First read the chapter. Okay. First read the chapter, then I will clear all your doubts tomorrow. First read the chapter. No need to raise your hands today. I will not say anything today. No need to raise your hands. Ankit Samanto. Okay. Just 2 minutes left. Just 2 minutes left.